remember the story them from long ago. Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to rekindle the joy there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know to come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when. Anansi did a relax under one big guinea tree when him hear the village cry a shout. The biggest, strongest hurricane we ever experienced go come. Everybody, run, secure the house and find shelter. The whole village start move fast. Master Joe did nail up him window and Miss Tiny tie up her goat and the pitney them did a help her carry water inside as well. But Anansi, him just lean back and grin.
Me not in the run up and down thing, you know.
Anansi mumbled to himself.
Me have to find another way to deal with this hurricane.
So, Anansi get an idea. Him run go to Master Joe's house, knock on the door and say,
Master Joe, the hurricane say you have the strongest house in the village, so it a go come test it first.
Master Joe face get serious. What? No. Well, me have to go double up on my board and I have to put extra nail on them. So him run go get more wood and nail. And Nancy just laughed to himself and move on to the next one. Him go to Miss Tiny house and whisper,
Miss Tiny, you know say, the hurricane love good food. Yeah man, and if it smelling nice too, it just might stay like a long up on your yard.
Miss Tiny put her hand on her head. Why? And what is for me, father? You know what? I have to hide my food then. So while everybody has stress on her work, Anansi just walk around and take advantage of the situation. When Miss Tiny pack up her stew to put it away, Anansi just walk with a big bowl and share out some for himself. And while Master Joe left in yard to go find more nail and board, Anansi just slip inside a him house, which was the safest house in the whole entire village. He walk in there with him big bowl of food when he get from his tiny pot. So, when the hurricane finally reached, the wind did a howl and the rain did a beat. Everybody in the village a tremble. But Anansi, him did well comfortable under Master Joe bed where him did a hide. Plus, him belly did full and him dry like a chip. When the storm done, everybody come out well tired and hungry. Some people all wake up from the hurricane itself. While Anansi stretch out and yawn like him just wait from the sweetest sleep. Anansi, tell me something. Is how you look so happy and comfortable? Miss Tiny asked suspiciously. Anansi just grin.
Well, me use my brain, you see. While on a panic, me just find the safest place. And yum the best food. Work smart, not hard.
The whole village laugh out. Anansi, you know easy, you know. But tell me something. And which part you hide? And how will you get food past such short notice? Master Joe asks. And Nancy just smiled.
Just call the Master Joe. You know me. Me always find a way.
And that, my friends, are the story of how Anansi survived the biggest hurricane in the history of mankind from way back when.